Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about Amazon's new era of broad match modifiers. Let's get into it. As of 2025, Amazon has introduced key changes to how keyword match types function within sponsored products campaigns. These changes primarily affect the behavior of exact match keywords, which are now influenced by Amazon's semantic matching system. Previously, exact match was considered the most precise targeting method, limiting ad triggers to searches that match the keyword structure closely. However, Amazon has shifted towards semantic interpretation. Now, exact match keywords may trigger ads for terms that are similar in meaning, not just structure. This includes synonyms or alternate phrases that Amazon deems contextually relevant. This change reduces the precision advertisers previously had with exact match targeting. Keywords used for ranking or targeting long-tail intent may no longer behave predictably, as the match may include broader or loosely related terms. To address this, advertisers are using an alternative known as broad match modifiers. This technique allows for greater control within the broad match category. A broad match modifier requires each word in a keyword phrase to be preceded by a plus sign. For example, the keyword Nike running shoes would be entered as plus Nike, plus running, plus shoes. This format instructs Amazon to only match search terms that include all three specified words, regardless of their order in the phrase. The ad may be triggered by queries like best Nike shoes for running or shoes running Nike, but it will not match queries that omit any of the three core words. While the targeting report will still show these keywords as broad match type, the presence of the plus signs within the keyword field differentiates them as modified broad match. Advertisers can evaluate performance using standard reports. Analyzing metrics like ACOS and conversion rate by match type or by keyword structure can highlight the relative effectiveness of broad match modifiers versus traditional exact or phrase matches. Broad match modifiers offer a solution for maintaining targeting control in an increasingly semantic environment. They are useful for both ranking and discovery campaigns, particularly when advertisers need to maintain specific word presence without relying on phrase structure. Implementing broad match modifiers can help prevent campaign drift and reduce wasted spend by ensuring that only search queries with the necessary terms are eligible for impressions. As Amazon's algorithms continue to evolve, advertisers are encouraged to test and adapt keyword strategies using these modifiers to maintain performance and relevance. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.